All right, let's get started. So first of all, have either one of you ever had a private Luxembourgish lesson before?
No.
Luxembourgish is not nearly as difficult as people say.
That's a relief.
First of all, every English language verb can be made Lëtzebuergesch by adding what I call the bendy thing.
Bendy.
It's like this ayiren sound. Now with nouns, you take the English language noun and add this ionen sound. Is that right? I, in Lëtzebuergesch, is esh, okay?
Esh.
So I go home is esh, go reiren, home yonen. Yonen. Now why don't you guys quiz each other?
How would you say, I order a pizza?
Esh ordieren pizionen? Yeah. How do you say, I pay the bill?
Esh payeren the billionen. Is that right?
You guys got it. You know, pretty easy stuff, huh? One last thing. So always end every conversation with addy chow, tip top. Addy chow, tip top. In most cases, you could just make that the whole conversation. Addy chow, tip top.
Addy chow, tip top.
Addy chow, tip top. Addy chow, tip top.
Addy chow, tip top.
Addy chow, tip top.